Hi guys, this is Nicole of Pulse and Blooms. Welcome. And if ever that you're seeing this video from February 10 to February 14, this is your guidance and ito yung dapat mong expect for this week. So I'll be using tarot cards, an advice card for you from the Goddesses Oracle deck, and an angel card for you. Okay? So let's get into it. Ito muna tayo sa tarot cards. So, what do you need to know for this week? What potential opportunities, challenges ang dapat mong pagfokusan? Yan. Uy, may dumaan. So, sorry sa ingay kung naririnig yung dumaan. What do you need to know? Okay, very interesting. So you got here the Six of Swords, Four of Wands, Queen of Wands. Wow, my Empress card, Moon card in reverse, and Page of Swords. What I'm sensing here is for this week, you will be asked to be more caring. Mas i-express mo yung sarili mo through um, serving other people, letting them know that they are loved and they are cared for by you. I'm also sensing that you are about to let go of something that has been very important for you, kaya lang medyo mabigat na siya. And eto na yung time na parang luminaw na sa'yo lahat na, shocks, hindi na to dapat nangyayari. Tama na, tama na. But, this week, you are being encouraged to be open-minded na kung kaya mong makinig, kung kaya mo munang pakinggan yung yung other party, like yung side of story, yung ano ba yung reason bakit nangyari yon, it's okay. Have an open mind and pakinggan mo lang. Okay? It could also be a time for you to celebrate when it comes to your job. Possible na merong good news. May marinig kang good news. It can be about the project that you're working on, and be observant kung sino yung mga tao na nandyan sa tabi mo when you acquired this. Okay? Kasi it could possibly be na sila rin yung makakasama mo para mas lalong mapatagal tong project na to. Okay? Six of Swords here, alam mo, when I saw this, ito yung feeling na yung moving on, yung parang wala ka lang magagawa kundi mag-move on. Na parang, uy, ang bigat na. Ito na, tama na. I've reached my limit. But you will be very, very gentle with yourself. You will be coming from a space na alam mong ginawa mo na lahat. Okay? The Moon card in reverse here is something that reminds you na wag mong panghinayangan yung mga bagay-bagay. Wag kang matakot na pakinggan kung ano yung sinasabi ng kutob mo, ng intuition mo, kasi it will help you sa moving on process na to. Okay? Wala tayong masyadong cups, right? Yeah. So this is more of your challenges in your career and yung pagiging nurturing mo, the mother energy. This is the mother energy, and you're also about to give birth to an idea. Kaya talagang tignan mo how you will um, think, kung ano yung mga papasok na idea sa'yo this week. Yan, tingnan mo, baka mamaya may golden nugget ka doon. Merong makapag-start or spark na kung ano yung dapat mong gawin when it comes to your career or opportunities, even business. Okay, so tingnan natin yung advice card for you. Playfulness, self-discipline, and compassion. Wow. Ayan, so compassion. Sabi dito, your kindness is a light in the darkest places. So, you are being encouraged talaga to be more on the nurturing side, na extend grace and compassion, hindi lang sa ibang tao, but sa sarili mo din. You also need to practice self-discipline, master yourself and you master your world. So, I'm also hearing na kung meron kang inumpisahang, let's say, project or even diet or, hindi ko alam. I don't do health readings, but when it comes up, it comes up. Talagang sinishare ko na lang siya. So, kung meron kang inumpisa na, like for example, inom ka lagi ng maraming tubig, kakain ka ng healthier, ituloy mo. You need discipline. And also, you have here playfulness. Don't take life too seriously. Have some fun. So, you need to let go, lighten the load. Yun talaga ang ano mo nitong team, lighten the load, okay? And be with friends. Be with friends. Yung mga trusted ones ha. Okay? So, ngayon tignan natin ano naman yung sasabihin ng iyong angel cards. Ano ang, kasi ako guys, I'm working closely with the angels and the archangels. So, I always ask for their support and their help. Let's see kung ano yung sasabihin nila sa'yo. Uy, wow! Dalawang yes card. Okay. Okay. So, you have here 2 yes cards. Yes. It's up to you. Ask for help from others and within the next few months. Wow. Okay. So, I think it's a yes. Talagang go mo na yan. Ito na yung chance mo to move forward, to expand. Yun yung mga naririnig ko ngayon. Expansion, move forward, clarity. Yan. Within the next few months, mas gagaan, mas magkakaroon ka ng path para yun yung tahakin mo. And then, it won't hurt if you ask for help from others. Okay? Just make sure na itong mga lalapitan mo, yung mga mapagkakatiwalaan mo, and alam mong hindi ka nila i-let down. Tapos, it's up to you. It's up to you which path to take. But, either way, imagine merong road, right? Left and right. Pero, both are yeses. Both are yeses. Kumbaga, win-win situation to. So, ang gagawin mo na lang, ihakbang mo yung paa mo, pipili ka kung alin doon. It will be up to you kung anong path yung kukunin mo. And please know that your angels are always with you whichever path that you choose. Okay? So, yun lang guys, na-share ko lang sa inyo yung guidance for this week. And I hope you can follow me for more, like this video. And ito yung first video ko in this channel. And I hope mas makapagbigay pa ako ng guidance sa inyo. So, again, this is Nicole of Pulse and Blooms. Thank you. Bye!